Here we've got a nice simultaneous question. Y plus x is equal to 12. So here we're just going to isolate y. So y is going to be equal to minus x plus a 12. And that's going to be our equation 1. And our equation 2 is just going to be this xy is equal to 14 minus 3x. And all we're doing here is subbing equation 1 into equation 2. So this y value, minus x plus 12, we're going to sub it in there into the place of y. It's going to look something like this. So x, open a bracket, minus x plus 12, close the bracket, is equal to 14 minus 3x. If we were to get this positive 14 onto the left-hand side, it would become a negative 14, and this negative 3x onto the left-hand side, a positive 3x. So it's going to look like this. Minus x squared, because we're distributing the x in, so x times negative x is minus x squared, plus a 12x, and now we factor in the 14, take it over to the left, minus 14, plus 3x is equal to 0. And now we add and subtract like terms. So minus x squared, we keep it there. Oh, sorry, I just want to correct an error that I made previously. That is going to be x times 12x. That is going to be plus 12x. We add and subtract our like terms. So 12x plus 3x, that is going to be equal to 15x. Minus 14 is equal to 0. So what are the factors of 14 that could possibly give us 15? Well, it's going to be 14 and 1, minus 14, and a minus 1. So why am I looking at a negative 15x here? Well, it's because our x squared value is negative. So if that step is a little bit confusing, let me just break it down. We want a positive negative x squared here. So we are just going to divide through by negative 1. So all the signs flip. Everything here divided by negative 1, that's going to be x squared. That's going to be minus 15x. That's going to be positive 14 is equal to 0. So minus 14 and a minus 1 gives us the minus 15. Okay, so x minus 14, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 14, or x is equal to positive 1. Okay, so we've got our answers for x. Let's get our answers for y now. So we just sub in our values for x here. So y plus 14 is equal to 12. Y is going to be equal to 12 minus 14, which is minus 2. It's our first answer for y. Our second answer for y plus 1 is equal to 12. Y is going to be equal to 12 minus 1, which is 11. And these are our two answers. These are our two answers. Two sets of answers, x and y, x and y. So x equals 14 goes with y is equal to negative 2, and x equals 1 goes with y is equal to 11.